Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Ready to showcase your work online and impress potential clients or employers? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a professional portfolio site on Squarespace, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have the foundation for a sleek, customizable portfolio that highlights your skills and experience. No coding required. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Signing up is super quick, and you'll land on the main dashboard as soon as you're logged in. This is basically your command center for any Squarespace site you're working on. From here, we are going to create your new portfolio website. Look for the Create Website button. This is your starting point for building something new. Give it a click, and you'll notice Squarespace asks for a bit more context about your project. Here, type in Portfolio. Typing portfolio helps the system understand the kind of site you want to create, and it'll suggest templates and layouts that are designed to showcase work or experience. This simple step saves you a ton of time searching through templates that are a poor fit for a portfolio. Up next, you'll see some options appear, including Resume and Portfolio. Go ahead and select Resume and Portfolio. This is where Squarespace organizes all their best templates for portfolios, resumes, and personal branding. Click Next to move forward. If you're wondering why this choice matters, Squarespace uses your selection to guide you towards designs that make your skills and past work the stars of the show. So, even if your portfolio is a bit unconventional, this category is almost always the best pick. Now, the platform will ask you to choose your site's focus. Do you want to showcase your work or your expertise? If your site is all about your projects, art, writing, design, or any other creative output, Showcase Work is the way to go. If you're aiming to highlight your skills, career achievements, or industry know-how, Showcase Expertise will help you structure your site around those strengths. Take a moment to consider which fits you best, then click Next. Don't worry if you're not totally sure yet. You can always adjust your site's focus later during editing. Next up, selecting a template. This is the fun part. Browse through the gallery and take your time looking at previews. Each template comes with built-in layouts and color schemes that make your portfolio feel cohesive and modern. If you're not sure which to pick, imagine your visitor's experience. Choose a design that feels clean and easy to navigate, and that matches your personality or the vibe you want to convey. When you find one that clicks, just hover over it and hit Start with this design. Now, Squarespace will generate your site using the template you selected, and you're ready to start editing. The editor is super visual and intuitive. You can swap out images, tweak your bio, organize your work samples, and really personalize every section. Take your time with this part. Building a portfolio is a creative process. Explore the editing tools, play around with fonts or colors, and remember, you can always preview changes before making anything public. If you get stuck or need a break, Squarespace autosaves your progress, so there's no rush. And that's it. You've built the backbone of your portfolio site with Squarespace. From here, you can keep refining your content, add contact forms, or link social profiles as you go. Your work, whether it's art, writing, design, or anything else, deserves a place that looks professional and inviting, and now you're well on your way. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Drop any questions you have down in the comments. I always love hearing from you and helping out. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your awesome portfolio site.